In the phytochemical screening series, today we are going to perform alkaloid test. Here we have taken about 5 gram of the sample powder for the alkaloid test and then transfer sufficient quantity of ethanol. You can also use methanol in place of ethanol for the preparation of alcoholic extract. Cover the conical flask with the cork and then shake the conical flask properly to mix the content of the conical flask. Then keep the conical flask for about 30 minutes for the extraction. After 30 minutes, filter the content of the conical flask through the normal filter paper and discard the residue and collect the ethanolic extract below into the beaker and then transfer the ethanolic extract into the china dish. Keep the china dish over the boiling water bath to evaporate the solvent and to dry the ethanolic extract completely. After drying, remove the china dish from the water bath. You can see that solvent is completely evaporated and the ethanolic extract is completely dry. Then add sufficient quantity of dilute HCl to dissolve this dried residue. After dissolving this dried residue with the sufficient quantity of dilute HCl, you can see some residue left. You have to remove this residue. For this, filter the content of the china dish through the normal filter paper to remove the residue and collect the liquid extract below into the beaker. After filtration, take about 2 ml of the liquid extract with the help of dropper into the test tube and transfer the equal amount into the second test tube. After transferring 2 ml of the extract in both the test tube, now we are going to perform Mayer's test. Take Mayer's reagent, add few drops of Mayer's reagent in one test tube and compare the changes with the second test tube. Formation of cream precipitate indicates the presence of alkaloid in our sample. Here you can clearly see the formation of cream precipitate, which indicates the presence of alkaloid in our sample. Next test is Wagner's test. Add few drops of Wagner's reagent to the one test tube containing extract and compare with the second test tube. Formation of reddish brown precipitate indicates the presence of alkaloid